Thanks a lot to Vacmaster for sending out this product to review. Okay, so let's do a real dirt test. And this is something that you don't normally do, but with this vacuum, I'm surely confident because it has a ton of power. Hey guys, I want to make a review video on the Vacmaster. This is an 8-gallon, 6 horsepower Shop Vac, stainless steel. This thing is a beast, and this is what it looks like when you pull it out of the box. So comes with everything you need. Here's a nice long hose. Comes with the wheels. You got all the wheels in there. You got some extra attachments and different things like that. So let's get all this together. Let's put all this together and see what it can do. All the attachments, everything you need, a great filter. Yeah, let's put it together. So you flip it over, you put on these feet. Even comes with screws to make sure that the feet are secured. And also you'll see this right here. This is an anti-static chain. So it actually kind of hangs down and touches so that there won't be any kind of static. And then also here on the top is a handle that you'll put on and secure with some screws. Okay, you'll notice that I took off the filter. It comes with this regular dry filter, which is going to capture, you know, pretty much anything that you'll need to capture. But if you don't want to use that and you're doing some wet stuff, this is when you put on the wet filter for wet applications. If you're sucking up and you still want to get some junk out of there, this is what you're going to use. Now, as you can see here, the inside, you've got this little section right here. Unscrew this bottom part, and that's actually where you get a garbage bag or all your junk bag. Kind of like a vacuum cleaner, you'll attach this on the inside right here, and then instead of cleaning out this area, which is super clean, super easy already because it's stainless steel, now you can just pull a bag out and dispose of that. Okay, so let's put the lid back on. Very easy to do, clicks very nicely, rolls really well, and then as you can see, you've got your spot for all your accessories able to go. But this is just like a perfect size shop vac. Sometimes those shop vacs are super big and you really don't need that, you don't need them to be that big. Okay, now one other feature with this accessory here is you've got a brush type surface right here, and you can swap that out very easily with a squeegee. So this would be kind of like for a wet application. You just swap that out. Look how easy that is to swap out. Now you can do wet vacuuming with a squeegee built in. Super awesome to be able to have that adapter, and you can go right back to the brush style, which would be used more for like carpet and dry applications. Nice little Velcro strap on the cord, and I like how easy it is to roll around as well. And then also on the back, if you want to wind up your cord, it has this section right here, a little hook right here at the bottom, and then on the top it also has spots here for accessories as well. And this is what it looks like with all the accessories everywhere on it and the hose wrapped up around. Okay, so let's plug this in and get it going. Very easy to attach. I like this. I like the way this hose connects. That way it's not going to, you push it in, you turn it, and it's locked. It's not coming off of there. Okay, then as you can see, you've got one extension rod, you got a second extension rod, you've got your nozzle right here as well. So you definitely have a long enough hose. But let's take this off actually right now and just connect this, and you want to know about the power. So let's see what kind of power it has. Yeah, tons of power, that's for sure. This is just vacuuming with the nozzle to be able to get into tight places. You switch it out and go to this one. Oh man, tons of power. really tell there's a lot of suction power with this vac. For how small it is, being 6 horse. Wow. Okay, so let's do a real dirt test, and this is something that you don't normally do, but with this vacuum, I'm surely confident because it has a ton of power to be able to suck this up. Okay, so let's see. Here we go. Let's get it. Wow. And there you go. Not a trace of dirt has been left behind, and that was only just a few passes. So this vacuum is definitely going to get it done, especially with the 6 horsepower. I mean, it's got a ton of suction. Now, again, with this nozzle here, you can open that and shake out the dirt, or if it was liquid, you could unscrew this right here and get rid of all your stuff. You can already see all the dirt in there. I'm going to suck this up, and then we'll look inside and see what it looks like. Let's switch to a different nozzle. Now, if you wanted to brush it, that's where you would use this attachment here. And with this nozzle, I can even feel the kind of the dust and dirt getting picked up and stuff and then being sucked in. So yeah, this definitely does the job. Vacmaster for sure. Let's untwist this right here, take the hose off, and then let's pop this off. Pretty easy to do. And that's what the filter looks like. And all of our stuff right there. So yeah, definitely picked up, obviously, the dirt that I threw in there, but picked up some other stuff that was not in that dirt, like some hair and some kind of lint kind of looking things. But yeah, the Vacmaster is an awesome vacuum, and will definitely, if it can vacuum this and get this dirt, it'll definitely get any job done anywhere else in your house, your garage, wherever. You can even do some carpets, use it for some water damage, anything like that. This is going to get the job done. So if you're looking for a vacuum, this is the one for you. I can highly recommend the Vacmaster. Definitely pick up one of these.